Best regards, my name is Yurani Andrea Rojas. I am 30 years old. I am human resources analyst in a multinational company, and I'm currently finishing my studies in business administrations. I am married and I have a beautiful 10 years old daughter. I live with my family at Piedecuesta, Santander. I am a very hardworking, intelligent, and persevering person. I always try to help my colleagues when I need it, and I love most animals. I like to encourage people to protect the environment and living things. I'm very cheerful and sociable, but I really like being in my house. I usually serve it, and my favorite time is reading. I also like to go to the movies or watch movies at home. Next, I will make comparison of these two objects. This screen is thick. This fragrance is leak. This container of this screen is white. The container of this fragrance is thin. The cream is heavy. The fragrance is light. Thanks very much.